To do this Mermaid Filter Trend on TikTok, first open TikTok. Now go to search option and search for Mermaid Filter. After searching it, you will find the filter on top of your search result. And if you don't find it here, then click on any one of videos below and then click on the filter option available above the username. Now after clicking it, you will be on the filter page, where you will find all the videos which are made with the same filter. Now to make your video, click on Use this effect. Now after this, click on the effect shown on the screen and then you will be directed to Gallery and now add your photo from Gallery. Now it will take some time to generate the effect, and what you can do is let it generate in drafts and check it later. And after it generate, your video will look like this.